Good evening, guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, basically channel, but thank you for tuning in. This is my last homework assignment for the semester. For those of you that don't know, I've been posting videos on here. If you've seen my last video from my management class, that was the Commercial Metals Company. Today, we're going to be talking about statistics. We're going to be talking about the curve, about a warranty for an HDTV, how many months are required for the upper limit warranty for your TV to be valid, I guess, like to fix it or something. This is the last homework for the semester for my statistics class, so without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So, this question is about warranty on the HDTV, and it says the following. In establishing warranties on HDTV sets, the manufacturer wants to set the limits so that a few will need repairs at the manufacturer's expense. On the other hand, the warranty period must be long enough to make the purchase attractive to the buyer. For a new HDTV, the mean of the months until repairs are needed is 36.84 months, with a standard deviation of 3.34 months. Where should the warranty limits be set so that only 10% of the HDTVs need repairs at the manufacturer's expense? Basically, this question is stating how long before TVs needed for repairs. I have a TV back at home. It has a warranty. If it goes on for like 28 months, then we can't send it back to the manufacturer. We have to send it to like a store or something to get it fixed. So this is basically what this question is asking. It's asking us, where should the warranty limit be set? So like in order for a TV to be fixed for like a cheaper price instead of being fixed at like a whole ridiculous price. So we're going to be talking about that here in the next slide. So this is the information that we know, and as you can see, for a little bit of enjoyment, I have a little guy at the top there fixing the TV. So what do we know? We know the mean of the months until the TV needs repairs is 36.84 months. We have a standard deviation for the TV at 3.34 months. So the question again is to figure out where the warranty limit should be set. So only 10% of the TV needs repairs based on the manufacturer's expense. So we are going to need to set the curve. Setting the curve means to figure out at what point do we need to set the mean and the standard deviation. So we're going to set the mean and we're going to set the tail at 10% at the end of the sketch on the left-hand side. Excuse me. And then we're going to set the mean at 36.84% in the middle of the graph. And I'm going to show you what that graph looks like here on the next slide. So as you can see here, I graphed the graph. Well, sketched the graph actually. It's not really too much detail. I couldn't get the sketchy part in for the 10% at the end because I was having a little problem and I really don't know how to work PowerPoint 2016. So if anybody knows, feel free to explain that to me. But as you can see on the left hand side, I have the 10% failing on the left hand side. And as you can see in the middle, I have the mean of 36.84. And the next step, we're going to be substituting in the formulas for all the information that we have. Once again, we're going to find the warranty, where the warranty limit should be set to be fixed 10% at the manufacturer's expense. So we're going to be looking at the formula here in the next slide. So in order to solve the problem, we'll need to find the corresponding z value for the 10%. And in this case, it's going to be negative 1.2816. Now all we have to do is to plug in the information into the equation. So for this instance, we have z, open parentheses, x is equal to x minus u divided by sigma. Sigma in this case will be the standard deviation, and the u, which is the mean. So as I explained, our z is 1.286. Well, I didn't explain that part, sorry. Our z is going to be the negative 1.286, and that is the z corresponding value for the 10%. And our u's, which is the mean, is 36.84, and the sigma is 3.34, which is the standard deviation. So that's what the equation will look like. So on the next part, we will solve it. So for the final solution here, we have negative 1.286. That's equal to x minus 36.84 divided by sigma, which is 3.34. We're dividing 36.84 by both sides, which gives us our new equation, which is x minus 36.84 equals negative 4.2084. And we're going to add 36.84 to both sides. Sorry if I misspelled that. It's supposed to say 32. It's supposed to say 36.84. It's supposed to say the same thing, actually. And the answer is 36.56. So 32.56 is the number of required months for the upper limit time of the warranty. And that's supposed to be 32.56. I'm sorry. I'm It's a big of a typo problem, so sorry. But the answer is 32.56. That's the warranty limit. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you so much for joining me. To all the college students out there, congratulations on another successful semester well done. I couldn't be more proud of anybody like myself as well. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for me. Everybody have a great holiday break, Merry Christmas, and also a Happy New Year. Take care, guys. Bye.